Hello, and welcome to Garden, Quilt, and Art Traditions. Today was a great day. My friend YANKEESISTA Homestead came over to visit. We both grew up in Connecticut, in different towns though. She went to the same church as some of my family for many years. So it feels like I've known her for a very long time. Nobody ever sees her, so I thought I would make a quick little video of some of our day together. I did have her permission. First of all, I would like to thank this kind military veteran for her years of service to our country. She's good to everybody. She's still serving through the church, in the neighborhood, just an all-around good person. Please go by and visit her channel, YANKEESISTA Homestead. You'll see that she's wearing a shirt from another channel, GG Naturals Homestead. Purple's my favorite color too, so I'm going to have to hook up with some of that purple gear. YANKEESISTA brought me today some cuttings from her garden. She brought some chamomile and pineapple mint. Together we thinned out, or I should say she thinned out, some of my fall plants, seedlings, kale, and giant red mustard. I had some yarrow plants that needed to be thinned out too, so I shared. And we came inside. I gifted her a SCOBY pellicle, so hopefully she will be making some kombucha. I had some dried mints already, spearmint, peppermint, and lemon balm, herbs for making tea. And she looked at some of my quilts. Mr. Hershey was helping her look at them. And we had a really great day. We have to do this again. Peace, love, and blessings to all. And don't forget to check out her channel. Peace, love, and blessings.